Hello everyone, welcome to Ningbo EXW. I'm Kevin, Vice President of the company. Today I'll be showing you around our factory. Our company is located at number 651 Hengshanxi Road, Beilun District, Ningbo City. We've specialized in modular plug and patch cord production for over 40 years. With annual sales exceeding $23 million, we serve over 700 customers in more than 40 countries. We've adopted the ISO 9000, 14000, and 45000 certified management systems, and also acquired a range of domestic and international product certifications, including UL, ETL, Delta, as well as RoHS and REACH environmental compliance. With a 30-person R&D team, we filed 76 patents and 8 invention patents, helping drive industry standards forward. We operate a fully integrated production line for modular plugs, covering stamping, electroplating, injection, and insertion workshops, with a monthly capacity of up to 35 million pieces. The patch cord workshop has a monthly capacity of 1.2 million pieces. Both modular plugs and patch cords are 100% individually inspected before shipment. As a digital management model enterprise, we've deployed 14 dashboards across production, supply, sales, and research and development, allowing us to monitor production progress, energy usage, and order status in real time. We've introduced carbon tracking to manage GHG emissions and carbon footprints and are recognized as a green factory. Low-carbon products now make up 21.8% of our total sales volume. Customer focus is at the core of everything we do. From sample support, tailored services, to fully transparent production, we work closely with our clients to build lasting partnerships. If you need efficient and reliable network connectivity solutions, feel free to contact us.